supporting me. Without them, obviously, it would never be possible. And I would like to take this opportunity and thank our Honorable Minister, Sir Babush-BJP, and our party president and the Chief Minister for trusting in me and giving me this opportunity. It is my first time, and I will serve the people of my ward wholeheartedly.
You have been involved with party, but
Yes.
this would be something different for you. So how are you looking, especially when you say serving the people?
We are backed by the party itself. So by serving the people, I will make sure that whatever issues they have with regards to which is in the jurisdiction of municipality and CCP, I will surely go ahead with that and solve their issues.
कितले वोट्स
100 and something, the exact figure तुमका सांगता मैं.
ओके कितले जाण जिंकले म्हणले
सध्या म्हाका खबर ना. I just know about
तुमचे वॉर्ड नंबर 5 नो
ward number 8.
8
The only loss is in ward number 7, margin of 100 votes or not something like that. So again, I would like to thank everybody for the support they have placed in our council, and we intend to do a lot of good. And yeah, just thank you. See, out of 8 we won 7. Okay, for round 1.
So
how much more expectation
looking at the
29
trend?
it looks now.
Huh?
30. It's okay, I mean 39 is close also. Not so bad.
Rohit, which ward you lost?
Ward number 7.
Before you
7.
Okay, ward number 7 no?
Yeah. Leonid, Sulian sir.
So round 1 complete झाला होता.
Round is almost over. Unofficially it is almost done.
7.
Yeah, 700.